Welcome friends. Today we are going to install a Python with PyCharm. In order to do that, firstly go to your web browser and search Python on it. Then click on the link as shown in the video and go to the downloads option. Over there click on the latest Python version. In my case it is 3.11. And just in case if you do not find the link, then it is there in my description box as well. You can go and check there as well. Since the exe is downloaded, open it. Then do not forget to check the box to add python.exe to path, and after that click on install now. It will ask you a permission, grant it. This will install Python on your machine. Now we have installed Python, so let us install PyCharm as well. In order to do that, firstly again go to your web browser, search PyCharm on it. You will show a screen like this. Then click on the link from JetBrains. Then go and click on the download. It will show you two versions. We are currently installing the community edition, so click on that. If you do not find this page, then the link is there in description box. Since it's a huge file, so it will take time to download. Since the exe file is downloaded, open that file. It will ask you for a permission, grant it. Then click on next. Here enter the destination folder where you want to install the PyCharm. In my case I am leaving it as default. Click on next. Checkbox the update path variable. Click over there. Then click on next. Click on install, and it will install the PyCharm on your machine. It is recommended to choose first option to boot your system. Now both Python and PyCharm are installed. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more.